Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Jen, and today I'm showing you a ridiculously easy way to turn your long-form videos into tons of shareable short clips without losing your mind in a complex editing suite. If you've ever wanted to batch create TikToks, Reels, or YouTube Shorts from a single long live stream or podcast episode, stick around because this workflow is about to change how you repurpose content forever. I'm going to walk you through this process just like I'm sitting right there next to you, cutting out all the fancy jargon and getting straight into a real-world demo. We are using an AI tool called Vizard, which is designed to instantly identify the best, most engaging moments in your raw, long-form footage and turn them into ready-to-post clips. It has 3 killer features I rely on every single week. It auto-edits viral-worthy clips, it can automatically schedule your posts, and it keeps everything organized in a visual content calendar. To get started, you simply drag and drop your massive file directly into the dashboard, or upload it straight from your cloud drive. Whether it is a 60-minute podcast or a 90-minute live stream, once it's uploaded, Vizard starts analyzing the whole video for high-energy moments and topic shifts that people love. The best part is that you don't need to spend hours scrubbing through footage yourself, because the AI handles all that heavy lifting for you automatically. Let me show you a real example from a 1-hour interview where we covered content strategy and shared some hilarious creator stories. After just a couple of minutes of processing, Vizard gave me a full queue of suggested clips, complete with thumbnails, captions, and perfect aspect ratios for every platform. The interface shows you exact timestamps, letting you tweak the start and end points if you want an even tighter, punchier edit for your audience. In most cases, the auto trim is already brilliant. It removes all the filler words, preserves the main punchline, and even applies natural sounding fades. You can select a bunch of these suggested clips and export them all at once, or even better, send them directly to the scheduler. Scheduling is where this becomes a complete game changer, as you simply tell the tool how often you want to post, and it handles the rest of the calendar. Because it integrates with your full content calendar, you get a beautiful, clean view of your posting strategy for the entire month. Now, I know some of you are asking about transcripts and subtitles, and yes, Vizard generates those automatically and supports multiple languages. The timing is excellent, making them perfect for exporting to platforms like Instagram, where captions are essential for boosting your total watch time. When we look at the landscape, tools like Riverside or Descript are fantastic for high-quality recording or text-based editing, but they can get pricey if you're exporting a high volume of content. While free open-source options like Whisper are powerful, they usually require coding skills and command line knowledge that most of us just don't have time for. Then there are the manual tools like Audacity or Basic Media Converters, which are great lifesavers but still require a multi-step manual grind to get the job done. Vizard bundles all those tedious steps into one place, leveraging smart pattern recognition to find the exact moments that humans would typically select, but doing it much faster. Back to the demo. Once I clicked batch export, I immediately had files ready to go for TikTok and Instagram with the audio levels already polished. If you want to add a watermark, change the thumbnail, or punch up an intro, you can handle all those edits right there in the integrated editor. Yes, it actually works on mobile too, so I've been able to upload recordings and queue up my clips while I'm out grabbing coffee. One pro tip, if you have a massive multi-hour stream, try splitting it into smaller, 1-hour chunks before uploading to make the processing speed even snappier. For those of you who want absolute frame-by-frame control, Premiere Pro is still king, but Vizard is perfect for creators who need high-volume, consistent output. It isn't trying to replace your advanced software, but it automates the tedious stuff so you can get back to what really matters, your creativity and your strategy. So, if you're a podcaster, YouTuber, or live streamer who publishes regularly, this tool is going to save you hours every single week. If you are currently doing everything manually or paying someone else to chop up your content, you are going to see a return on your investment almost immediately. That is my go-to workflow for turning a single long episode into an entire week's worth of bite-sized content without the burnout. If you want me to do a live walkthrough with your specific footage, drop a link in the comments or send me a DM and I'd be happy to show you how I'd approach it. Alright, that is it for today. If this helped you out, please smash that like button, subscribe for more creator workflows, and tell me what you want to see next in the comments.